this trick is what I try. I also try it and it's worked for me. Okay, I try it on my cheap, very cheap perfume. So I'm gonna show you that kind of perfume I'm choosing. So so this perfume are very cheap, and I try this trick on my perfume. Trick or hack or anyhow. I try it on my body, on my clothes, and it's lasts 24 hours. I'm telling you, it's lasts 24 hours. This product is Ambition. It's very cheap. It's very cheap, totally cheap. And this is Kills Charlie. This one is Roll-On. So I love this too because it smells expensive. Even though it's very cheap, but it smells. Oh shit! It smells really expensive. I love the smell. I'm telling you, I so much love the smell. Okay, and let me try this. At first, anytime I want to use this, like this two with a hat, I will make sure that I spray it on all over my cloth. I'll spray it on all over my cloth and use this roll-on my armpit. So this make me smell like 6 hours until I come across this arc that I'm gonna use, and I will use Vaseline. And I'm telling you, I don't have Vaseline. So if you don't have Vaseline, don't worry, you can use your lotion. This is my lotion. You can use your lotion too, and just use your lotion as the base, and it smells fine. That's it. Okay, let me put this air, and then I will spray my perfume on it. So, and let's see how it goes. Okay, this is it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. Now let's spray it, and there. Wow. Then I'll make sure that I'll wait for 24 hours if these things will last. You know, the funny things I actually did is I make sure I spray this on my body, and even I want to hear it even on the pants I wear, I'll spray perfume on it. On my brand, I'll spray perfume on it. Okay, I'll make sure I spray perfume on every part of my body, and this make it last. It seems like I'm wasting perfume, but no, you have to use just simple touch. It's okay, and your perfume will last. I'm telling you, this arc really worked for me, and that is what I'm doing. This is how I do things, and I'm telling you, I wear my clothes. I make sure I spray perfume on that. Sorry. Before I wear my clothes, I make sure I spray my perfume on that cloth before I wear it, so that it will make it last. And this has helped me a lot. Telling you, people think I'm using expensive perfume, although I'm using expensive perfume, but I love this one most because of the smell. I love it. It smells expensive, but even though it's really cheap, but it smells expensive. That's why I love it. I choose over expensive perfume. So don't mind me. I just want to use this cheap perfume for the review, so that we know that it's work on both cheap and expensive perfume. Anyhow you want to do it, just anyhow. Okay. Alright. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so anytime I upload a video will be notified. So bye. Thank you for supporting me. Bye. Oh, I love this.